Hello friends, hope you are in good health. This is Sadia from scholarshiproar.com. In this video, we will talk about MEX scholarships. There are two types of MEX scholarship. One is embassy recommendation MEX scholarships and other is university recommendation. Today, we will only cover embassy recommendation MEX scholarship, which has been recently opened in most of the countries. We will talk about the deadline of this scholarship, eligibility criteria, benefits, and last but not the least, the step-by-step application procedure. With that being said, let's get started. MEX scholarship is offered by Japanese government to international students who want to study undergraduate, master, or PhD degree at Japanese universities. The deadlines of the scholarship varies from embassy to embassy. You can enroll in any course offered in all Japanese university from social sciences to engineering, medical to health, art, humanity, etc. There are no academic field restrictions. If we talk about application period, it varies according to degree program. For undergraduate, it is 4 to 5 years, for masters 2 to 3 years, and for PhD 3 to 4 years. The next section is scholarship coverage. MEX scholarship is a fully funded scholarship for international students, which will provide monthly stipend allowance and preparatory allowance, fees for entrance examination, and also tuition fee at universities. MEX will cover your around airfare travel expenses from your country to Japan. The air ticket will be an economy class ticket. MEX scholarship will also cover your accommodation charges. Now let's discuss the eligibility criteria for MEX scholarship. Required language is English because all the courses will be taught in English except the Japanese language course. Students from all world countries which has diplomatic relationships with Japan are eligible to apply. An applicant who has Japanese nationality at the time of the application is not eligible. For undergraduate students, you must be from 17 to 25 years of age and have completed 12 years of school education or have completed courses in a school comparable to a high school, which includes prospective graduates. For masters and PhD students, you must be under 35 years of age and a college graduate. This will also include prospective graduates. Or you must have completed 16 to 18 years of education. For teacher training students, you must be under 35 years of age and a graduate of a college or teacher training college. You must have at least 5 years of active experience as a teacher in a primary, secondary, or teacher training college in your country. For Japanese study students, applicants must be from 18 to 30 years old. Applicants must have enrolled as graduate students in faculties or school which major in Japanese language or Japanese culture in a university outside Japan. Let's move on to the next section, which is how to apply for MEX scholarship. First of all, you have to find your Japanese embassy or consulate in your country. For this, please click on this link. Then click on your region. For example, I'm clicking on Asia. Here you can find different Asian countries in which Japanese consulate and embassy exist. I'm going to click on Embassy of Japan in Malaysia. Here, usually scholarships information lie under Culture and Education tab. Please click on this tab. Here, click on Scholarship Information under Studying in Japan. Here you can see the information about different scholarships. On this page, you can see that applications for undergraduate studies and research student is open for the year 2021. Let's click on undergraduate studies. Here you can also see the deadlines, which varies from embassy to embassy. And fill all the basic information on this form and your educational background. Similarly, if you are applying for postgraduate studies, please click on this link. Here you will find the deadline for the postgraduate scholarship. Click on the form here and fill all the basic information. Research students have to fill this form along with few more questions according to their research, like present field of study, your research theme after arrival in Japan, study program in Japan in detail. This form, along with some other required document, you have to submit all this to your embassy. The other documents which are required along with this form are the highest degree verified with official stamp, the highest degree transcript verified with official stamp, including grading system, 2 recommendation letters. Please click on this link if you want to know more about recommendation letters. Passport scanned if available at the time of application. CV for research students. You can also click on this link if you want to know how to write a winning scholarship CV. Photographs, study plan and statement of purpose. Scholarship Roar has wrote an article on statement of purpose. You can click on this link for details. English language proficiency document. Those students whose language institute was in English can submit English proficiency certificate from their home university and they are exempted from language test. Academic thesis or relevant publications for research students. Reference documents if asked by the embassy. After submitting all these documents, the embassy will call you for a written test. To know more about the written test, please click on this sample written test with answer link. After that, interview of the candidate will be conducted. The successful candidates will be informed through email or embassy websites. That's all for the MEX scholarships. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe for more videos.